Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to go viral on the Instagram. So as you know, Instagram algorithm is changed every day or every week, and now market is very saturated. So it's very important to go viral on the Instagram. But how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to you have to upload the content in HD quality, improve your content. Moreover, nowadays Instagram algorithm calculate the retention, so you have to make engaging reels or the photos that will help you to go viral or get more views on your reels or on your Instagram profile. Moreover, you can use good captions and uh, hashtags in your caption and comment section. So these are few ways to go viral on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.